Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating or confirming your Gmail address and securing access. Once done, export your Yahoo contacts as a CSV so names, numbers, and emails move cleanly. Next, make sure Yahoo allows external access. Enable POP or set an app password if two-step verification is on. After that, open Gmail and go straight to Settings to prepare the import tools. You don't need to wait. Begin the import process now so emails and contacts will transfer automatically. Now you continue by using Gmail's import tool under Accounts and Import. Enter your Yahoo email and the password or app password. Gmail will fetch messages and contacts. Make sure you select options to import new mail for 30 days and to label imported messages so you can track what came from Yahoo. If you prefer manual setup, configure POP with POP. Mail. Yahoo. Com, port 995 and SSL, then set a clear label. This step moves historical mail and keeps incoming Yahoo mail flowing into Gmail. You finish by making Gmail the primary sending and receiving hub. Set Send Mail as in Gmail settings and verify the Yahoo address so you can send from Gmail using your old address if required. Update account logins for subscriptions and banks to your Gmail address and keep Yahoo forwarding on for a few weeks. Once satisfied, optionally disable Yahoo or archive it. If things go wrong, check your app password, POP host and port, and spam filters. Sometimes waiting 1 to 2 hours resolves synchronization delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.